Morning everyone. Hello. We're going to Yellow Store and we are buying now for pasabay. Pasabay that from Philippines, the one who ordered for us for pasabay. And we have a different kind of snacks here, like bread. All of those are bread and it is per gram here. It's all per gram. But the value of money here is yuan. So as you can see the price each and every food. There's a price. If you can see there is a 500 grams. That's the per grams. Here are assorted biscuit also. Different kind of biscuit. There are different kinds of flavor also. Like chocolate strawberry and there is a matcha flavor. This one is good for the one who's going to school, like for snacks. It's better this one. And we have a different kind of latcha also, eggs and sausages, sausage hot dog. Those are the tofu. There is spicy or non-spicy. Different kind of tofu. They call it lao chow, this one. It is a snacks. There is also feet and salted fish also. See, please buy for us now, pasabay. Your 1,000 peso is too much here. Too much you can buy now for your 1,000 peso. This is all per grams. And there is also peanuts here, like squash seeds, pistachio, different kind of peanuts. And now we are paying now. And all are those who order for us pasabay. Thank you for watching.